What is up, you guys? It is Parker here
Hey
with
y'all.
Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Y'all, don't tell Jordan, but Jordan left some of his rag bows here, and I don't ever use them. And we got this really cool custom wreath sign in today, and I thought it matched Jordan's rag bow pretty well, so we're gonna play with it. Y'all, so this is a leftover Christmas wreath. All right, so we got that fluffed out a little bit. All right, so let's get our sign ready. Let's put our 4 dots. All right, so on these little stickies, I like to put a little dab of super glue first. So I'm gonna use a 21-inch yellow base first. Just throw that on the floor. We're gonna take this, we're just gonna fold it over just a little bit and give it a good little pinch. All right, so I like to put my poofs along the inside or top first and then go down to the bottom. I don't like to drag my 21-inch mess across the other mess. So I like to do the inside first. All right, y'all, I'm just gonna make my poofs big enough so that they cover the greens. So y'all, look how pretty it is now. And almost all of that flock is covered. All right, we're just adding a little bit of hot glue right around the base. Let's cut these at anywhere between 18 and 20 inches, y'all. We're gonna do 7 cuts. Okay, so we're just gonna take our 20-inch, cuts. We're gonna curl the 2 ends just a little bit. Okay, curl those 2 ends and then just crunch it down the middle. Get that little ruffle and then add that ruffle every once in a while. So we started putting in our colors. Now we're just gonna go down to the bottom ruffles. All right, and we're just gonna start putting those ruffles in every twist. There's our base. Y'all, you can't even tell this was a flocking good time anymore. I think I just want it like this, where we've got the sun and the bow. All right, let's get our 4 pipe cleaners. Y'all, I kind of want to get this where it's kind of tucked under the bow a little bit, but not all the way. Gonna get this and bring it down here. So y'all, I'm just wrapping the pipe cleaner right around the metal frame. Okay, let's get some tails cut. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use this ribbon tail combination and this ribbon tail combination. All right, so we got these. So we're gonna alternate between these three and these three. All right, so we're gonna take our 3 ribbons. We're gonna fold them in half, give them a good pinch, and add these to the twist all the way around the base. All right, so on this type of base, if you don't have enough of the twist tie, you might have to untwist them. So we're gonna layer our other ones, and we're gonna just fold it in half. Then we're gonna give it a little pinch. Do I sell my wreaths? I sure do. And we're just gonna go to the next twist. Y'all, we're gonna have some ribbon tails left over for sure. Those ribbon tails match perfect. Let's keep going. So I intentionally left this side a little bit wider because I want to do some lemon stems and some flowers this way. I mean, I'm going to do a little bit on this side too, but I want it to be substantial out this way. We're going to open our flowers up. All right. Y'all, then we're gonna make this whole flower stem just go right in here. This is one of those things that Jordan likes to do that makes Mel real confused every time. All right, so get our stem in there, nice and good. All right, now I'm just looking for places that I can tie that stem right in here. We're gonna get one more of those right up this way. So gonna get the next one right in here. All right, I wanna get this stem coming back this way a little bit and into this twist here. So I broke these apart because look how much smaller this side is than the other side. So I still want to get a little bit of the texture, but I don't want it to be crazy. All right, y'all, and then there's one more spot right down here that it needs just a little bit more flowers. All right, y'all, I'm also gonna throw a few lemons in here, I think, because why not? All right, these I'm gonna do some glue, and I'm gonna put that glue right into the twist ties on the wreath. All right, so we got some lemons there. I want to get a little bit more right up here. So I'm gonna get lemons in our triangle pattern. I'm thinking I'm gonna put lemons in 2 spaces here as well. So this one, I want to get closer to our rag bow down here. All right. So there's our wreath up close and personal. Let me hang it on the door so you guys can actually see it.